Okay, good day. Let's start. We are going to be making a registration form using Eclipse. Okay, let's start. First, you open the Eclipse application. Okay. After you open that, press help. We are going to be installing a window builder first. Press help. Install new software. Now press here and this. Then find the window builder. Then install all of this. Just press this. Next. This might take a while. Okay, press next. Then this is the terms and conditions with all of that. Press accept, then finish. Then they're waiting. Let's wait for this to go to 100%. Okay, after it's done, we can now we can open it. Let's restart our Eclipse. Okay, let's open. You can press X on this overview. Now, open on the source file, press new, other, then find the window builder we installed earlier. Then press Sync Designer. After that, application window, then press next. Then you can name your file. For me, I will name my file as, since we are making a registration form, why not registration form. Then let's double check registration form, then press finish. Okay, there we go. We can now code our design. Since this is our the provided code of the design, we can look out for design, so we can look and find how it looks like. And there we go. This is how it looks like. Oh, let's go back to the source. This might take a while, so I'm going to be cutting this. Okay, since we are finished coding this and designing, this is our design. We added some name, gender, username, password, confirm password, email, phone, address, zip, country, and then the buttons. I can select this, but I don't put the selectives. Let's try running. There it is. We can add name, ALLARDO. There we go. Main. Then we can add anything else. So that's just about it. Thank you for watching.